Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I am trying out this really fun product that I just couldn't wait to try out when I got this recently in one of my beauty subscriptions. It's from a brand that I'm not familiar with called Illuminati, and this is the pH tinted plumping lip oil that I got in this really fun green color called Decree. And I'm thinking this is going to be one of those like color changing type lip products because of the pH tinted. And then I love trying out plumping lip products because I have such small lips and I love to try and make them look bigger. And this is a lip oil, so not just like a lip gloss. And I tend to really like lip oils because they're super moisturizing and deeply hydrating to my very dry, chapped lips. So with all of that said, let's go ahead and see how this is. And when looking this up online, it looks like it retails for $20. And so first things first, I want to see what it smells like. Oh, it like has a smell to it, but I can't really identify what it is. Not exactly sweet. Like a little bit like a sour candy kind of, but nothing too like nice or potent. I want to do a swatch and see if it really does have that like color changing. Yeah, it goes on basically clear with a little hint of green. We'll see if it changes color here, but nothing happening immediately. Let's see how it is on my lips. And my lips are very chapped right now, so I'm hoping this will be very moisturizing as well. It definitely has some nice high shine and a thin lip oil texture like I would expect. Ooh. And it is immediately moisturizing. Like all of the chapped areas in my lips are gone, which is what I was hoping. Still no color change in the swatch on my hand. It does have definitely a tingling feeling. So, rubbing my lips together, waiting to see if they're going to change color, if they're going to get more plump. It definitely feels tingly, like it should be plumping my lips, but I'm not quite seeing any plumping. Like, I'd love for the lines in my lips to be more smoothed out. I'm surprised I'm not having any color changing though. Okay, so I've given this some time, and I would say overwhelmingly, I'm underwhelmed. So overwhelmingly underwhelmed is how I would describe how this lip gloss is. It did not have a color change. It didn't plump my lips or anything like that, except for giving like that burning, tingling feeling like it should be doing something considering how uncomfortable it is on the lips. And I do like that it was deeply moisturizing to my chapped lips, so there's that. But aside from that, for $20, I would want to see some plumping or smoothing to the lips, some color change. So I'm bummed about that. If you've tried this out, let me know how it worked for you. Did you have any color change? Did it plump your lips at all? Because I'm surprised. Like, I was expecting more from this. So that's my experience. Like I said, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. and I will see you soon in my next video.